Welcome to the American History Toolkit. I'm Dr. Hannah Franklin Grisham, the History Toolkit project lead. This short video will explain how to use the website. You are currently on the Welcome page. At the top of the page, there are several tabs. Hover your mouse and click the tab you wish to explore. To locate and explore the resources of the American History Toolkit, you can use the search bar located at the top of the banner, or hover your mouse and click the Browse Resources tab. You are now on the Browse Resources page. On this page, hover and click the professional development or the grade level whose resources you are most interested in. As an example, I will hover and click on third grade. You are now on the third grade page. All resources that are aligned to a grade level standard will appear on the corresponding grade level page. Some resources are aligned with multiple grade level standards. If you'd like to learn more about a particular resource, hover your mouse and click the resource title. If you'd like to find all resources aligned with a particular content standard, hover your mouse and click the standard you wish to know more about. Thank you for visiting the American History Toolkit.